कि कभी कभी जो खिलाड़ी के हम सोचते हैं कि वो वीक है, एलिमिनेशन का सेंस एकदम परफॉर्मेंस देते हैं. आई विल मैरी अर्जित. He said he wants to hook up with you. I wasn't that sensitive before. I was like, fuck it. He hates it when he doesn't believe that much in himself. Hello everyone, this is Aina and I have Soundous with me. Hi, welcome to Instant Bollywood. Hi Instant Bollywood. So how are you finding Cape Town? हमें ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिला केप टाउन एक्सप्लोर के लिए, लेकिन कितनी तांदे यार, मतलब डर नेक्स्ट लेवल. और स्टैंड ये मौसम के साथ तो ज़्यादा डर लग रहे हैं. मतलब कभी कभी पानी शांत है और पानी 7 डिग्री और 5 डिग्री, तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट नेक्स्ट लेवल. एंड हाइट्स का सेंस भी ज़्यादा ख़तरनाक है बिकॉज ज़्यादा एयर है, ज़्यादा हवा है, तो बैलेंस के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. And what I want to ask, that a lot of people, what they are doing is they never thought that you can perform well. They underestimated you. But आज मैं जब भी Soundous का नाम ले रही हूँ दूसरे interviews में, there's always a smirk and there's always like, she's performing well. What do you have to say about that? Oh, मतलब वो बोलते हैं लेकिन वो नहीं, like they underestimate, but you're performing well. जो उन्होंने सोचा था उससे better. तो आप उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहोगे? मुझे लगता है कि जो खिलाड़ी बाकी है ये सीजन में, हम इक्वली स्ट्रॉन्ग है मेंटली और फिजिकली. कभी कभी जो खिलाड़ी के हम सोचते हैं कि वो वीक है, एलिमिनेशन का सेंस एकदम परफॉर्मेंस देते हैं, तो मैं कोई नई खिलाड़ी के बारे में बोल सकती हूँ कि वो वीक है, कि वो सेमीफिनाले और फिनाले नहीं पहुँच सकते. मतलब दिस सीजन इज़ रियली अनप्रिडिक्टेबल. कभी कभी 10 एपिसोड देखा और मैंने बोल सकती थी कि ये चारों सेमीफिनाले पहुँच कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये सीज़न सच्ची में हर स्टंट में मैं बहुत सरप्राइज हूँ कि कुछ खिलाड़ी का परफॉर्मेंस बहुत ही अच्छा है, और जो खिलाड़ी की वो लगता है कि मैं वीक हूँ और मैं अच्छे परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकती हूँ, तो हम देखते हैं. Okay, I'm going to play a quick rapid fire with you. Okay. If you had to kill, marry and hook up from the team of Khatron Ke Khiladi season 13, who would you do the each one with? Oh, I will marry from the Khiladis, no? Yeah. I will marry Arjit. He said he wants to hook up with you. What do you think to it? Marry Arjit. I will hook up with... अरे यार, hook up बहुत मुश्किल. There's so many good-looking boys on the show. Then Shiv, Dino, Shezan. Then Shiv, Dino, Shezan, and Arjit. Arjit तो हो गया. But out of those 3 boys, wow, who did Arjit want to marry? He didn't marry anyone. He only hooked up with you. I don't feel like hooking up with anyone here, क्योंकि hook up के लिए तो कुछ excitement, कुछ ऐसे मोकी लग रही हो. But why marry Arjit? क्योंकि I think that he is very mature when he wants, and I think he's very sweet. उसके पास थोड़ा सा patience issues है, but issues a little bit. But जो हम टाइम स्पेंड किया साथ में, तो सुकून उसके साथ मिल सकती हूँ, और वो मेरी पर्सनालिटी पता है क्या है, how to deal with you. हाँ. Yeah. Okay. If you had to give a hard stunt to someone. A hard stunt? Yeah, like you don't want to do it, but आपको किसी और को चिपकाना है, आप किसको दोगे वो stunt? I will give it to Rashmeet because I think she will give justice to the stunt. Okay. If you had to take someone's elimination on your head, who is that person that I would eliminate? No. If they are getting eliminated, but you will sacrifice and go out of the show for them. Arjit. Really? That's so sweet. Okay. I mean, if I had to do it, then I would do it for him. Who is that one? Because I would do it for him क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि वो जीतना इतना मायने नहीं रहा. हाँ. और वो ज़्यादा मेहनत किया ये शो में और वो हर दिन जिम जाते और you know he is very serious about it, so I feel that he deserves it as a person, as a killer. You know, to see you from Splitsvilla, that line where I've not come here to win hearts from Morocco, I've come here to win. Do this. We've seen a difference on those. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I think, and also I think I've lost a little bit of my boldness, or I've lost a little bit of my. I've become more sensitive. I wasn't that sensitive before. I was like, fuck it, jo bhi hai to karo. I think that doing 3 reality shows made me a little bit more emotional. Oh, and I don't know if I like it or no. But it's always good to be sensitive and emotional. Yeah. Okay, who's the funniest on set? Oh, Archana. Okay. That one person who acts all confident before the stunt, but जैसे ही stunt आ जाते हैं उनकी फट जाती है और they get really scared. Shiv. He acts all confident. Okay, the one who loves creating fights. Fight for entertainment. For entertainment. I'm confused between Archana or Aishwarya. Okay, Archana and Aishwarya. If Rohit Shetty had to sign up any one of the contestants for the next film out of the girls, who do you think he would go with? The girls? Yeah. अगर कमर्शियल मूवी है और कुछ गर्मी गर्मी खाना गाना है तो प्लीज मुझे कास्ट करो. Arjuna and Aishwarya said your name. Oh. Whose name would you give? Which name would I give? I would give Rashmeet names because he does a lot of action, so I think she can be a good, that character who's very serious, or a serial killer or drug addict. Yeah. Okay, one thing you love about Cape Town? The people. People कितनी प्यारे है, लोगों कितनी प्यारे है, कितनी अच्छे, कितनी पॉजिटिव है कि मेरी पूरी जिंदगी कभी नहीं देखा इतनी प्यारे लोग. One thing you love, hate and tolerate about Arjit? I love how comprehensive and a good listener he is. Tolerates. His patience issues. I still can bear them. And then love, hate and tolerate. Okay, hate. I hate it when he doesn't believe that much in himself. Awesome. Thank you so much, Soundous. It was lovely meeting you. We will see you soon and wish you all the very best. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.